Once there was a god named Chase, who was a billionaire from inventing objects that help people. One day there was a major earthquake. That some of the buildings caught fire. All the parents were devastated. Most of the people died, but all the firefighters came to put out the fires. But there was an aftershock. Some of the fires got relit, so the firefighters went back and put the fires out. But the fire hydrant exploded with water, and Chase knew right away that the water pipes ripped. Chase told the firefighters and police. When the firefighters told the citizens, all the people were devastated. So everybody went to the tallest building. All the fire hydrants exploded with water. Chase was the person to save all the citizens by using his super speed to speed everybody up to the tallest building. For the gods to remember how heroic he was, they painted a picture of a flooded city in the sky.